Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the cost structure associated with Vanguard's advisory and digital services, since Vanguard itself does not offer a standalone subscription product specifically named Vanguard Plus. Instead, investors frequently look at Vanguard Digital Advisor or Vanguard Personal Advisor when exploring enhanced services, while they consider cash management features like the Vanguard Cash Plus account. When evaluating these options, understanding the exact fee breakdown helps you determine the total cost of managing your wealth. Vanguard Digital Advisor typically charges an annual advisory fee of around 0.2% of your assets under management. This automated robo-advisory service uses algorithms to build and monitor a diversified portfolio tailored to your retirement goals and risk tolerance. While the advisory fee is low, you also pay the underlying expense ratios of the specific index funds or exchange-traded funds held within your portfolio, though Vanguard keeps these fund-level costs among the lowest in the entire financial industry. For investors wanting human guidance alongside digital tools, Vanguard Personal Advisor pairs you with a dedicated team of financial advisors. This service charges an annual advisory fee starting around 0.30% to 0.40% of assets under management, depending on whether you choose all index options or an active index mix. This fee covers comprehensive financial planning, tax strategy discussions, and ongoing portfolio rebalancing. Just like the digital tier, the underlying product expense ratios apply to the specific funds utilized in your personalized investment strategy. On the other hand, if you are looking at cash management solutions rather than advisory tiers, the Vanguard Cash Plus account is a bank sweep program designed to hold uninvested cash. There is no monthly account fee or subscription cost to maintain a Cash Plus account, and it allows your cash to earn a competitive yield by sweeping funds into underlying program banks. Because Vanguard operates as a client-owned organization, its structural philosophy centers on keeping fees minimal across all tiers, meaning you will not encounter hidden subscription upsells or surprise maintenance charges for standard accounts. When choosing between a fully automated approach or a hybrid human advisor setup, evaluate the balance between your portfolio size, your need for personalized financial planning, and the respective asset-based percentage fees. Reviewing your current asset allocation and overall investment strategy ensures you select a tier that aligns with your financial objectives without paying for unneeded features. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.